It is the SPA06-003 barometric pressure and temperature sensor. I've got the SPA06-003 there, temperature and pressure sensor, all in that little package. It's hooked up to a Cutie Pie here over STEMMA QT. I have this reading out the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, pressure in hectopascals, I think that is, and altitude in meters and feet. Put my thumb against it, you should see that temperature changing. The temperature is rising up. Get a little creative with it. I'm just gonna put this in my hand and try to form a bit of a seal and blow on it. Increased the pressure a ton, or if we suck on it, so it believes it has gone up a mountain there. So we can get this up to 1,000 and some feet. Not what this is intended for, but it'll work. It is the SPA06-003 barometric pressure and temperature sensor breakout.